What's up guys, this is Unknown from Notion Hub, and in this video, we are doing an unboxing of Bulfyss Digital Kitchen Scale. Now this is available at 799 rupees on Amazon. It has a preview of the kitchen scale, there's Bulfyss branding, it says Digital Kitchen Scale, and it has 2 years warranty. On one side it has branding, and on top it has pricing. On the back, it has highlights, LCD display, stainless steel base, auto off, low battery indication, overload indication, large range up to 5 kgs, high accuracy with 4 sensors, comes with 2 AAA batteries, it has multiple unit conversion, tare function, milk or water measurement. It also says exclusive sensor disk technology, and it has some important information. Now this comes with 1 year warranty, and you can get 1 year free extended warranty on registration. To avail the extended warranty, register on bulfyss.com within 7 days of receiving the product, or else warranty shall be void. Now let's unbox. We get user manual, 2 AAA batteries, and the kitchen scale itself. It is plain steel kitchen scale, looks nice, and it has subtle branding towards bottom. Below that there is the screen. Towards one side of the screen, you have tare and on-off button. Towards the other side, you have the unit button. And below that it says maximum 5000 grams. That is 5 kgs. In case you were wondering. Now let me remove this plastic cover on the scale. And that's satisfying. That's pretty much it for this video. This scale seems pretty good. If we notice anything different, we'll update that in the future. Thank you for watching. This is Unknown from Notion Hub. Meet you in the next one.